So I am Thomas John C. Sayod, 19 years old, from Santa Rosa, Laguna. And I am here right now to give an evidence and an explanation of the God existence. According to Kalam's cosmological argument, everything that exists has a cause, and the universe began to exist, so it must have a cause. And this argument believes that that cause is God. And the next was the contingency argument. So contingency argument said that everything does exist as an explanation. And as I said before, universe does exist, so it must have an explanation. And that explanation was God. The next was the moral values or the rules that we do. Who made that? And I think it was not made by accident. It was made by God. Also, the fine-tuning of the universe. So, the fine-tuning of the universe is how the world are so balanced, or the universe are so balanced, like the atmosphere, the gravity, most of all the things are made up for life or to support life. And if some of that was slightly unbalanced, it is possible that it cannot support life. And this argument also believed that it was made by an intelligent God that designed the universe, all of the things. So that was my reason or my evidence for the God's existence. That's all. Thank you.